friend they call Omede Multimedia, London-based show promoter. They can do event for Edo 2. He's supposed to do an event for Edo Innovation Hall. Today will be 16 of January. He don't book and since. Book when Governor Obazee was there. I'm very sure. Now, only for us to go there, we're going to make arrangements until today. And they tell us, Obazee, I'm not different from Pablo, I'm not. I say, what's wrong with talk? Say, no, Obazee going to give like this place some almost free. For what now? Now money we can't go back up. They don't shoot down there to go 2 million.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Hope so na dey fine. This video wanna just watch finish, so na bad one. Concern the event where be say they go on for Nigeria, for Edo State, for Benin City. This our brother where they call Osazuwa. According to Abat, I go put everything for Namokuna listing. Even this our brother where they call Osazuwa, Omede, he don't come reply to this video where be say Abadu. I go put all together more on list because we not can know who can they lie, who can they talk truth. And I know say when it comes to Abat Obazee with him or Obaseki, anything where Obaseki do, he get the way where Abat they carry the matter. According to this issue, Abat say this our brother when they call Omede, he don't pay for the event center. Say he want to do show. You understand? He said that time where be say Obaseki day now free of charge they don't they pay. He said now where be say Okbe will come day now they can't tell this our brother when they call Omede say now 2 million now they want collect for in hand. According to Abato, and Abat still show some banners where our brother do. The one we fair do before, as a constant changer, I go put everything. I know I made this video too long because I just want make I bring out come and say who can they lie for the both of them. I be the Omede, they don't go tell and say Abba don't enter this issue. Can't do video, may you can't tell like don't say you don't know anything about this thing, or Abba just they like they carry. Now no say Abat when it comes to anything where be so back seki do, he get the way into the like carry on because we will not can know who can the life for both of them. This our brother whether they call him then na 2 video now he do na short video I go put am, then I go fair put the one where Abat do, then una go listen to the one where Abat do, then una come listen to the one where this our brother whether they call Omede do, then make una balance am, arrange am and see who they told the truth for this issue. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you as you do. Please help me to love and like and leave your comment also because we want to know whether na the brother na the lie or na battle because we know say Abat na Ogbeti one of UK. But may we not use that one to judge am because the way the something take dey, first of all the print of the print of this thing where he bring come away want to do the event, they can't change am to another side, so something is fishing. Anyway, I know why me I talk too much. Una bye for now. But una watch am by una said then una arrange am, balance am, give us the answer.
Omede Multimedia, London-based show promoter. They can do event for Edo 2. He's supposed to do an event for Edo Innovation Hall. Today will be 16 of January. He don't book and since. Book when Governor Obazee was there. I'm very sure. Now, only for us to go there, we're going to make arrangements until today. And they tell us, Obazee, I'm not different from Pablo, I'm not. I say, what's wrong with talk? Say, no, Obazee going to give like this place some almost free. For what now? Now money we can't go back up. They don't shoot down there to go 2 million. 2 million naira. And they pay the guy 2 million. Say that Omede shout, how much you want to pay for the show? How much you want to sell tickets? Now Omede don't carry, he don't change venue now. He don't carry the event and go SIO. Where 24 people for still do your show. So those gonna turn up. Omede a great guy, gonna go support her today. So he don't change venue now. 48 hours to the event and change venue. Okpewolo government don't happen to Omede Multimedia. Okpewolo government don't touch Omede. Now, as the person tell me what they go on with Omede, how they try to frustrate the creative industry. I say give me details. So you can't send me this thing for waiting. In case for now when they say about Obazee they lie. Now, see the first poster what they do. He put Victor Wifo Creative Hub. She wanna say now yesterday can't change venue. Now can't change venue now to SIO Event Center. She wanna say I know just the carry talk. Now see the issues now. One, this one for the Awasa group where all these comedians, entertainers, movie producers, actors for the discuss. One, there are issues now with the Okpebholo government, the Wahala when you bring up for them. The prices of things then under Obazee were not as expensive as this now. What was purchased with 5K then is now purchased at the rate of 50K to 70K or even 20K. In 2024, the state government was giving us almost free accommodation for both crew and cast. We just had to pay only 50,000 or 100,000 to have accommodation for over 30 persons for 10 to 15 days. Under Obazee, movie producers, actors, actresses, they were paying 50 to 100K for 30 people to sleep for the place where government built for them for 10 to 15 days. Can you beat that? That privilege is no more since this new government came on board. And we now have to rent hotel rooms for both crew and cast. And that will cost the production over 1.2 million. From Obazee charging them 50 to 100,000. Now they book hotel because that place is no longer available. Sometimes our politicians, they go to sleep for that place. They don't hijack the whole system. They don't topple the whole system. Now, is that considered about 1.2 million? 3, there was free transportation vehicles given to us by the former government. When I say former government, it's Obazee government to 2024. That will take us to anywhere in Edo State. That privilege is no longer there. Free transportation for movie producers, for the creative industry, just to encourage them. May they stay and develop Edo.
Yeah, hello my people. My name is Omede, Ambassador Omede. I'm the founder of Omede Multimedia. I'm an entertainer and I'm a cultural ambassador. I happen to come across, or rather friends and family sent me a message on Facebook that they saw, about my show. And then this, the Victor Waifu Creative Hub that I've always wanted to use, that I love so much because it's big. However, I didn't know much about the center. When I came, I spoke to some people and I realized that the sound would not work because it's massive and it's going to cost me a lot. So I eventually went to the center, and obviously there are new people there as well now, but there was a continuity, and I decided to speak with them, and fine, there was a change of price, which is not the reason why I decided to change the venue. And I didn't just change the venue yesterday, I changed it about 2 weeks ago. I spoke with the MD. They're even attending my event. They said they will come, even though I've changed the venue, which I'm happy about. So I'm just hoping that, listen, everything that you guys have heard on social media today is not what actually happened. I have to do this. I've never done this kind of video before. I'm a very peaceful man, and I just need to get things straight. I'm not against anybody. However, when it comes to my new event, it was only because of the sound. Thank you, and God bless. Hello, my people, my friends. It's Omede once again. I decided to do this live video. I did a video a few minutes ago, but I decided to come back and do this live video to debunk this issue that Mr. Obazee spoke about. First of all, I don't have issue with Mr. Albert or the government or anybody. I'm a peaceful man. I like to do my things straight. So for this particular issue, I actually never spoke to Mr. Albert or asked anybody to discuss it with Mr. Albert. We've not spoken for a very long time. And about the hall, I'm an entertainer, and whatever I would do would be good for my brand. That's what I'll go for, Last year, we actually wanted to use the Victor Waifu Creative Hub because I don't really know that place. I don't live in Benin. But we decided to use there, and I booked it. However, a month ago, I had a conversation with my friend, I don't want to mention his name, and we were talking about the sound issues with using the place because it's very massive. So I need to put in a lot of sound there, and So which is not a problem as well. However, when I got back to Benin for the show, which is happening today, 16th January, we went there, and you know, because the new government, I needed to reapply and do so many things, and I came here sick, so I didn't have that energy. Fine, there's a new price, there's the new this. I just told them, you know what, I heard that it's going to cost me a lot to do the sounding, and I'm not going to get the kind of sound that I want there. That's just the basic truth. So I decided to change venue, and to SIO Event Center, which is a bit smaller and can really, I don't have much fans like that in Benin, but I hope, you know, I hope the show will be good anyway. So we decided to do it this way. So to Mr. Albert Oteme, we never spoke about this, and I don't know why this thing is coming up now, because today is my show, and you know, I do not want anything to obstruct my show. Not just that, if maybe we have discussed it, I would say, okay, we'll discuss it, no, but we never discussed this, which I'm happy using this new venue. So to everybody, I thank you all for your support, everybody that is supporting me, and God bless you all. Thank you.